वेलकम टू दिस डिलाइटफुल एपिसोड ऑफ DIY। मेरा नाम है आकाश और आज वाकई में आपकी जिंदगी में फैलाऊंगा प्रकाश। प्रकाश मतलब उजाला। भाई, इंडिया इज अ कंट्री ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स। दिवाली, दशहरा, ईद, क्रिसमस, हर फेस्टिवल में अलग अलग चीजें होती हैं, बट देयर इज वन थिंग कॉमन इन एवरी फेस्टिवल: कलरफुल लाइट्स। वी सेलिब्रेट एवरी फेस्टिवल विद ग्रेट पॉम्प एंड शो, और हर फेस्टिवल की चमक को बढ़ाती है कलरफुल लाइट्स। इसी बात पर आई हैव गॉट अ वेरी ब्राइट आइडिया टू शेयर विद यू। क्यों ना हम आपके लिए बनाएं अ स्पून लैम्प? साउंड्स फन, नो? इट्स एक्चुअली क्वाइट फन टू मेक इट ऑल्सो। For this, you'll need an empty container of around this size. It could be a biscuit container or a snacks container. Take the lid off. Then you'll need a bunch of use and throw plastic spoons, party spoons. Then we'll need scissors, a long piece of sturdy wire, a bulb with a holder, glue or any strong adhesive, and a small piece of steel wire. Now firstly, we'll take these party spoons and break their heads off this way. See? One by one, we'll break all of the heads off. So finally, we'll have a collection of spoons with only the heads. Now, we'll place the container upside down and we'll start sticking these heads onto the container. Firstly, we'll cover this entire area. Use adhesive. Continue until you go full circle. So the trick is, once you have covered the bottom portion, then जब आप next segment में आते हैं, place the spoon head in between the other two spoon heads, like this, and then continue doing the same thing until unless the entire container is covered with spoon heads. Once you are done with that, make two holes out here at the top of the container so that this wire can go through the holes. And on that wire, we're gonna tie this wire, make one end go in, जिसमें हम ये holder और bulb attach कर देंगे. This portion will go in. And the other side will come out. जहां पर, say around here in the middle, we'll make a loop so that we can hang it. और दूसरा portion जाएगा for the socket. And once you're done with all this, your spoon lamp is gonna look like this. See? Spoons all over. As I said, inside, using this wire, मैंने होल्डर और बल्ब को टांग दिया है, जो इस स्टील वायर से अटैच्ड है. The other end of the wire, जो सॉकेट में है, उसके ठीक सेंटर पे I have made this loop, which can be used to hang this lamp on a nail or wherever you want to hang it. Now I'm gonna switch it on. Here we go. तो मैंने आपको एक और आइडिया दे दिया to make your home look brighter. Plastic spoon lamp. Materials required are huge plastic jar, plastic spoons, glue, working bulbs and aluminum wire. Procedure is, take a huge plastic jar and used plastic spoons. First, cut the top portion of the used spoon and stick it in vertical direction.
With the help of an aluminum wire, place the bulb with its holder in the jar. Your very own lamp is ready.
आप जानते हैं एक औरत का सबसे बड़ा हथियार क्या होता है? Some will say it's her eyes. Some will say it's her smile. कुछ उनके बाल की तारीफ करेंगे, कुछ कहेंगे उनका बेलन. But according to आकाश, एक औरत का सबसे बड़ा हथियार होता है सेफ्टी पिन. चौंकिए मत. You have no idea how useful this small tool is, especially for you ladies. I don't have to tell you how useful safety pins are. But safety pins का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है बहुत आसानी से खो जाते हैं. I mean, whenever you need a safety pin the most, it's never handy. So, I have come up with a brilliant solution to this problem to organize your safety pins. Plus, it's gonna be an addition to your junk jewelry collection. For this, you'll need a bunch of safety pins. You'll need quite a few colored decorative beads, and you'll need a strong, sturdy piece of elastic thread. So firstly, we'll take safety pins and start decorating them using these colored beads. आप चाहें तो mix and match कर सकते हैं, or in one safety pin you can put the same kind of beads. For example, मैं थोड़ा colorful nature का हूँ, so I'll use different beads in one safety pin only. So once you're decorating all the safety pins using beads, take the piece of thread from one end and start taking it through all the safety pins. As in, you put a thread through a needle. Once you've finished one side, start the same procedure from the other side of the pin. Then once the two ends of thread meet, tie a knot. So your elastic wristband would be ready. Here's the bunch of safety pins. So now you'll know where your safety pins are all the time. Plus, it's quite a cool addition to your junk jewelry collection. I know, मेरे पे सूट नहीं करेगा, but ladies, it's gonna be a hit amongst you for sure.
Safety pin bracelets. Materials required are safety pins, elastic cord, colored beads. Procedure is, first take an elastic cord, then start putting colored beads in the safety pin. After you're done, put all the safety pins in the elastic cord and tie to give a shape of a bracelet.
आज सिखाएं आपको अंडे का फंडा. अंडे का फंडा ये है. My trainer recently has asked me to eat 12 eggs a day. But that's not the problem. The worst part is, he has asked me to eat only the white portion. So अब मुझे रोज 12 अंडों में white और yellow portion को अलग करना है. And it's quite a messy task. So half of the time, I waste in thinking about how to do so. And the other half, sulking about my epic failure. But recently, I met a chef friend of mine. और उसने मुझे एक बहुत ही सिंपल सी ट्रिक दी है फॉर दिस प्रोसेस. प्रोसेस है, break the egg like this. Now, take a small empty plastic bottle. Hold it like this, press it, and here we have the egg yolk and egg white separate. Ab, body banana is a very simple task, you see.
Separating egg yolk. Materials required are egg, big plates, plastic bottle. Procedure is, take a plastic bottle, break an egg on the plate, hold the bottle upside down and squeeze the yolk in. You'll see absolutely clean egg white left behind.
हो गया, हाँ जी. Just ordered a few pair of jeans for me. मुंबई की बारिश ने ना सच्ची वाट लगा दी है. I mean, my jeans have taken a toll. Believe नहीं करते? Excuse नहीं है for online shopping. I'll show you. See, who's gonna wear this trash? Oh, sorry, did I use the word trash on my show? Well, in that case, I'm gonna convert this trash into ultra smash. I mean, whatever that means. I just wanted to rhyme. So for this, you'll need a few pair of denims जो आप फेंकने वाले हैं या फिर किसी और को देने वाले हैं. And you'll need scissors, some decorative buttons, decorative patches, colored ribbon, acrylic paint, and your old diary. Now, take your old denims and cut it in the shape of your diary from all the sides. Just remember, on all the sides, leave 1 inch of margin. You have cut off the patch in the shape and size of the diary. Place the diary in the middle and then fold the patch from all the sides. Now, take glue and put it on the edge. All the edges. Make sure to use good amount of glue so that the grip or the hold is firm. Now once you fold it, press hard or maybe use some weight. As I said, इससे grip थोड़ी firm रहेगी. एक बार आपने हर तरफ से पैच चिपका दिया, then you can use these buttons, patches and ribbon to decorate it. And once you're done with that, your denim book cover is gonna look like this. This is your same old diary with this fancy denim book cover. और पॉकेट को छोड़ने का फायदा ये है, it can be used to keep your pens, pencils and other stationery items. So now get ready to flaunt your fancy and stylish denim book cover.
Materials required for book cover: old denim with pockets, ribbons, clips, glue, thread and buttons. Procedure is, first take a piece of denim with a pocket, wrap it around the book with the help of the glue. Also, you can use a piece of denim to make a book cover with a different opening. Decorate it with the help of ribbons, place a button and a thread so that the opening of the book looks good.
Welcome back to DIY. मेरा नाम है आकाश और आज मैं डेनिम्स का कर रहा हूँ पर्दाफाश. Do you know, companies actually recycle denim and turn it into insulation. And whenever we buy a pair of jeans, that too branded, we spend a small fortune. और आज मैं पूरा पैसा वसूलूंगा. So, the first trick, get some plywood pieces in this shape or maybe bigger as per your need. Then take your old pair of denims, your scissors. Now place these plywood pieces and cut off patches in the same shape and size. So for each plywood piece, you'll cut off 2 patches. Now, once you have these patches in this shape and size, place the plywood piece on top of one patch. Then cover it up with the other one. Now, take glue. Put it on the edges. Since you're dealing with plywood, my suggestion, the quantity of the glue should be a bit more so that the grip is firm. Now, fold it. Now take the second patch. Take the other side of the plywood piece. Place it in the middle and again do the same process. So finally, you will have your coaster. Now to decorate it, you can use acrylic paint, a decorative button, and just stick it using glue. Your coasters are ready. But this was using plywood piece. How about you simply use denim's material and a piece of cloth. So take the patch of denim and cut it in the shape that you want. For example, मैं थोड़ा romantic हूँ, so I cut it in the shape of my heart. Now, take any colored piece of cloth, checks, stripes, whatever, and cut it in the same shape, but मेरा suggestion है a slightly bigger than this. And then stick the two pieces together so that your coaster looks like this. Again, using glue, you can stick such decorative pieces, patches or buttons to decorate these coasters. So you have your own very cool looking coasters. Now let's talk about our lovely ladies. आपकी चिट्टियां कलाइयां के लिए मैं कुछ करने वाला हूं. What happens is, जब भी आप बैंगल्स खरीदते हैं, the old ones go for a toss. आप या तो उन्हें फेंक देते हैं या फिर you give it to someone else. How about you redecorate or make the old bangles look like new? Simple process है. Take the patch of denims like this one and cut it in form of straight strips. I'll show you. Something like this long straight strip. Now take your old bangle and start wrapping the strip all around it. When you're doing it, make sure you don't leave any empty spaces. Once you reach the end, use some glue, put it on the edge so that the strip sticks to the other edge or to the bangle. And then finally, your bangles are gonna look like these. Pretty neat, huh? You're welcome, ladies. So now, let's do something for our gentlemen. Office goers, जिनका laptop के बिना चलता नहीं है. You have those old laptop bags, na, leather wale. How about we make a laptop sleeve for you? A pretty cool one, using your old pair of denims. Firstly, cut off 2 patches from your denims in the shape and size of your laptop. What you can do is, take your laptop, अपने denims के center पे place कीजिए, mark it and cut it off, denim piece. Then take both the patches, place it on top of each other and using glue, stick it from 3 sides. एक side छोड़ दीजिएगा. Then take any t-shirt, shirt or a colored piece of cloth जिसे आप फेंकना चाहते हैं, something like this. Cut off the bottom part, like this entire patch. I'll show you. Don't worry about it being straight or not. Once you have cut off this patch, take it off and paste it at the bottom. using glue. Then you can use these decorative buttons, acrylic paint, or even colored ribbon to decorate the sleeve. So here's your laptop sleeve. What you can do is you can attach these with the buttons, जिससे एक तरह से आपके लैपटॉप को लॉक सिस्टम मिल जाएगा. I'll show you. Take your laptop, slide it in. Now in case you're tensed कि लैपटॉप यहां से slip ना हो जाए, that's why these latches and buttons are for. So your laptop is safe, secured, and is looking even cooler. Just a tip, in case you don't want to use glue, you can get it stitched. और खुद से सीना आता है, even better, वहां भी खर्चा बचेगा. So your hip and happening, very cool laptop sleeve. So last but definitely not the least, in fact my favorite trick. For this, what you need is all the leftover patches, all the waste, मतलब इतना सब कुछ बनाने के बाद काफी सारे waste pieces होंगे, be it pockets, be it the loops, be it bottoms का हिस्सा, whatever leftover, simply use your sewing machine और हाथ से ही sew it all together. So once you've attached all these pieces together, you'll have your very own rugged and cool looking denim tablecloth. See, you can also even use it as a rug or as a small carpet so that guests एक बार इसे देखें, impress हुए बिना वापस ना जाएं. So who said कि पुराने denims को फेंक देना चाहिए? Well, यहाँ पर तो पुराने denims मतलब a blessing in disguise.
Materials required for denim coasters are old denim, cloth, plywood, glue, and scissors. Procedure is take a plywood and stick a piece of old denim on both the sides. Also, you can just cut the denim in different shapes and use it as a coaster. Denim bangles. Take a thin piece of denim cloth and wrap it around the bangle and stick it with the help of glue. Denim laptop sleeves. Materials required are denim cloth, old t-shirt, thread, scissors, button. Procedure is take an old denim piece according to your laptop's height and width. Stitch it to make it look like a sleeve. Patch it with a t-shirt. Use a thread and button to organize its lock. Materials required for making denim tablecloth. Denim pockets, needle, and thread. Procedure is take your old denims, cut off the pockets, and just stitch them together. Your easy denim tablecloth is ready.
तो ये है आकाश का कमाल. Well, फिलहाल it's time to say bye bye. But I'll see you next week on your show DIY. ये है आकाश जो ट्रैश का करता है नाश और बनाता है कुछ ऐसा कि आप सभी कहते हैं शाबाश.